Hi, and welcome to a quick video that I put together for you to show you the top sites section in OneLaunch, how to use it and how to interact with it. So to get started, I want to show you first and foremost where the top sites section is in your OneLaunch software. So follow my mouse up to the gray plus button on my OneLaunch dock, and as I click on it, up opens the Apps Marketplace. As you probably know by now, if you've been using OneLaunch for a while, we've got a great robust section with all sorts of apps for you to use. To the right of the Apps Marketplace section is a category called Top Sites. So as you just saw me do, click on the Top Sites section, and we've populated a list of top sites that we know from research are some of the top sites that are used worldwide on the internet. So if you're like me, or like most computer users and browser users, there's a handful of sites that you really enjoy visiting each and every day. And those, of course, are top sites. So instead of typing them into your browser each time you want to go to them, we've thought a really quick and handy thing from your OneLaunch dock is to be able to pin those top sites to your OneLaunch dock for extremely quick and convenient access to them every time you want to visit them. So every time in this section you click on the icon in question, that's going to pin that icon and therefore that website to your OneLaunch dock. And from that point on, instead of coming back to this top site section, you simply click on the icon from your OneLaunch dock, in this example for WhatsApp. So as you can see, I've pinned WhatsApp. Maybe you love Instagram, maybe you love shopping on Amazon and you go there 5 times a day. Let's pin Amazon. Maybe you're a big fan of Wikipedia and you find yourself using Wikipedia to learn new things a few times a day. Let's pin that. And you might love getting your news from the New York Times. And finally, you might bank with the Bank of America. So as you can see, as I've clicked on these icons in the top site section, they've all populated as they've been pinned to my OneLaunch dock. So then I can simply, to go to Amazon every day, click the Amazon icon on your OneLaunch dock, and immediately Amazon populates in your OneLaunch Chromium browser. Same thing for Bank of America, for the New York Times, for Wikipedia, etc. Here's Bank of America, New York Times, and Wikipedia. So we've thought that this is a very, very quick and convenient way to access the sites that you like to go to on a daily basis. This is even quicker than bookmarks in your browser because you don't have to open up your browser. OneLaunch dock, as you know, is sitting there omnipresent at the top of your desktop screen, ready for you to begin your daily digital life on your computer each and every day. To finish this video, if you ever want to remove these top sites that are pinned to your OneLaunch dock, simply right-click and unpin from dock. So let's get rid of Instagram. You don't like Instagram anymore. You're not using WhatsApp anymore, and they're simply gone. To add them back, as a reminder, you go back to your top site section and repin them. You can also remove them by unclicking from the top site section. And then another neat thing to just know is if for some reason you're not confident that you remember that this icon is for the New York Times, and you don't like to have to come up to it to hover over it all the time, you can right-click and show label. So right away you can see that, New York Times. Same thing for Bank of America, show label. And again, if you don't like to see that label anymore, you've now memorized what that icon is for, you can right-click and untick the show label option to go back to the icon alone. So that's the top site section with OneLaunch. That's how it works and how you interact with it. I hope you enjoy this feature and this quick access from your OneLaunch dock to your favorite sites on the internet, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.